Ay, nandito ako ngayon sa upuan. There's no coffee there. Hala, walang kape dito. Walang kapeng barako dito. Kapeng barako dito. Hindi na ako pwede magkapeng barako, guys. Hala, kilalang kilala niyo ako. Kasi may work ako. Kasi, syempre, gising na gising ako. Baka hindi ako, I mean, baka malate ako. Di ba? Mahirap na. Ayun. Bawal. No, 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 no coffee muna. Yes, yes to milk tea tayo. May milk tea here down the ground. What's your sked? Saan sa work or sa live ko? Here, sked sa live or sa work? Lag ba ako, guys? Jake, nawala ka na. Oo. Oo. Ang schedule ko is night shift ako. Yes, you are. Night shift ako from 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. until Sunday. Until Sunday. Until Sunday. Until Sunday. Night shift ako. 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. ay di biro. Ayun. And then next week, wala pa akong schedule. For the whole week lang. This week. What happened to your face? So, ganito nga. Ano ba? Do you speak Tagalog, Drake? Do you speak Tagalog? Bye! Do you speak Tagalog? Yes. Ayan. Yung face ko dito sa Manila, hindi siya, alam nyo yun, hindi siya hiyang. What you call it? Puro polluted air gets. Kasi sa Batangas, nasa farm lang ako. So, fresh air yung nandun. I have here tiny bumps, tiny pimples around my cheeks. So, I need to put this silicone sheet to lessen. Hi, Oliver! So, that's why I have this. So, para hindi siya mag-spread. Oh, I see. Yeah. So, napaka-polluted air dito sa Manila. Hindi sanay yung skin ko. Hi, Oliver. Nice to see you. Yeah, maybe an allergic reaction to maybe some of the chemicals. Maybe, yeah. That's why I hate here. But I have no choice. Pwede ka po Tagalog lang. Ayan. Yeah. Kasi nandito si Mr. Gree. That's why I'm speaking English. That's why. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano ka usok yung paligid. Ewan ko lang kung makikita ng camera. Tingnan nyo na lang ulit. Ayan dun, oh.